Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another video and today I'm going to be making baking soda colored acrylic slash dipping powder, if you may say. So I was going to use eyeshadows and stuff, but I just wanted to use my mica powders so bad because they just been sitting there. So if you have mica powders or if you have eyeshadows, take them out. Let's get some baking soda and let's make some stuff, you guys. So I'm just going to be opening up my box of baking soda a little bit wider just so I can get my teaspoons and stuff in there, my little measuring things. And I love how pretty baking soda looks. I don't know, it's just so weird, but I do. These containers, I get them off of Amazon. You don't have to use these. They have containers at the Dollar Tree for $1 or even at the dollar store for $1. So you could definitely use those. And I'm just going to be mixing up a whole bunch of stuff, you guys, like literally throwing some glitters into a pot, mixing it up and seeing what happens. A lot of you guys were asking me if I can make colored baking soda and things like that, and does it work? And you guys, it does work. It even works with chunky glitters. You're gonna see in this video how cool they look. I made like a pearl milky type of glittery, I would say, like colored acrylic. So that's just kind of what I went for. You can do any design that you want. So I just mixed everything together and then mixed it up, and I was just ready to dip my nails in. So right here I'm just using Ejubis nail tips. I got these off of Amazon. You can use the Kiss nail tips, which were $1 at Dollar General, or whatever nail tips that you have. If you don't want to use nail tips and you want to use your natural nails, hey, be my guest. So yeah, I'm just going to be using the Ejubis nail tips because I wanted like a clear base, just so that way you guys can see underneath how they look and if they look bulky, if they look bad. These nails came out super hard. They don't feel delicate. They don't feel like I have to baby them. So I'm just super excited about that. And then at the end of the video, I will be showing you how I made another color, which is like a blue ocean color with some glitters and stuff. So you can make a whole bunch of colors of what you want. The next one I want to do is kind of using the eyeshadow palette. I didn't use it in this one because I was dying to use my mica powders, you guys. I bought like 50 pack for like $20 on Amazon. So yeah, I really wanted to use them, but look at how pretty that looks. And that's mixed with baking soda. Like, who would have known that that was made with baking soda? Not me, but it is. So it does save you. You can use the Kiss. Okay, so what I'm doing here really quick, let me explain. I didn't know how this was going to turn out, so I ended up putting a base of clear, which I'm just using the Kiss nail kit in clear. And I'm just gonna put a base of that and then go in with the colored baking soda. The reason why I did that is because I was scared of what would happen. So I did protect my natural nails. I do have a peel off base coat underneath, which is why I don't prep my nails. A lot of you guys ask me that, why I don't prep my nails, and it's because I make so many videos for you guys, so I don't have time to soak and do this, do that. So the easiest way to go about my business is doing a peel off base. Now you guys are gonna get really mad at me. The first time that I did my nails in this, it did not record, so I missed the first step, but look how beautiful that is. So all I did was one step of clear acrylic by Kiss, and then I just went in with my other nail glue. I used different nail glues because I didn't know if my nail glue was going to mess up. They're by the same brand, just different tubes, just so I don't mess up my other tube that I use for just regular baking soda and things like that. I didn't want to mess it up and have glitter in it, but it actually didn't smear, didn't do any of that. So right here I'm just going to be dipping my nails in after I put the glue in. One thing that I noticed is that it gets very chunky, and then I don't know, and then I have to pour more in. So that's one thing that I didn't like, but overall everything worked out perfectly fine. So I just put a base of clear to protect my natural nails just to make sure, which I feel like you don't need it, but I would still do it just to be safe. Or instead of using clear, do I can't talk today. Instead of doing clear, do a base coat of baking soda, like the regular clear baking soda, and then go in and do your color, just because you want to protect your natural nails, you guys. And let's see, I don't know if I have anything else to say, but after I was done with that, I did 2 coats of this. So after I was done with this, I actually then put 2 coats of clear again, just to encapsulate it. I don't think you need to do that, because once you file it, it kind of stays on, like it's like really, really rough. So I felt like I didn't need to do it, but I did it anyways just to make sure, because I didn't know. I should have did like one with clear and one without, just to see what would be the difference. But what I would do is, if you don't have the Kiss clear, then definitely do baking soda. So do 2 coats of regular baking soda, not with the colors that you mixed in. And you guys can use any colors that you want, any glitters that you want. Like I said, this works both ways. I just wanted to use my mica powder so bad, so that's what I chose. But you can use glitters, you can use eyeshadow, you can use a whole bunch of things. Chalk, just blend it up and just throw it in there, or crush it up like just with a regular, you know, like spatula thing, and you should be good to go. So that's just what I did, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out all the giveaways that I have down below. I will be having a giveaway for dip powder, but like real dip powder, you guys, because a lot of you love the dip powder nails. So I will be having a giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned for that video. I will be testing out a brand of dip powders and also giving one away to you. And I have a lot of giveaways going on my channel right now, so if you are new here, definitely check out the giveaways in the description box down below, because I give away a lot of stuff that I don't use, or I don't like, that I love, and they just sent me extras and I want to send it to you guys. So if you are new here, definitely check out the giveaways, and if you are old here, definitely check them out. Also, I'm pretty sure you guys have entered already, but also if you don't know about the notification squad, so what I do is, if you get here early, I will pin your comments. So definitely try to get here early. Every time I post, turn on your post notifications, so that way you can be notified each time that I upload, so that way you can get here first. And in that pin, you can add whatever you want. So if you want to add your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your Facebook, I don't care what you want to add. If you want to add so somebody could say a prayer for you, or a prayer for somebody, your family member, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you are here first, I will definitely pin that comment for you. I know a lot of you guys say, hey, I'm first, but a lot of you guys aren't. And I wish I can pin everybody's comment, you guys, to be completely honest. But I know YouTube has this weird thing, it doesn't update, which is so weird. I don't know why, but yeah, so a lot of you guys missed the first comments, but I just wanted to throw that out there. That is how the notification squad works on my channel. And as far as filing, because I know we got into that point, I hate this part, to be completely honest. It takes me like 30 minutes to hand file, and that's even with regular acrylic, you guys. So we're not even going to talk about it. We're just going to move past that, because I'm over it, and I'm an adult, and yeah, I'm just over that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my channel. If you have any video suggestions, anything that you guys want to see, definitely comment down below and let me know in the description box. What are you talking about, girl? In the comments down below. Definitely let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next one, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.